Good morning, guys. Merry effing Christmas. Say Merry.
Merry Christmas.
Look at that Grinch.
I'm not a Grinch, I'm tired.
So anyways, you guys, yes, we're just getting ready to get our morning started. We're having some spiked coffee. They put stuff in my coffee.
Oh, yeah.
It's
good though, right?
Tell them what you did.
We put Irish cream in your coffee.
And I had my back turned.
You held it up for me.
So yeah, we're getting ready to get the day started. You guys, I just wanted to jump on and say Merry Christmas. I ain't forgot about y'all. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Winter time in Florida. We are on the beach walking, y'all. And just like we thought it was gonna be cool today, but no, it's like 57, but it doesn't feel 57. It's actually quite warm, so none of us have on sweaters. So we are going to eat. But yeah, this winter, oh, I swear it's on winter in Florida. I forgot to show y'all the dang on menu, but we're sitting here about to have some drinks. We just ordered our food. Y'all, it's hot as hell out here. It's hot. At least y'all can see the water view in the background, but it's hot. Alright, y'all, we have finally moved inside. We are inside the arcade now. We're just gonna play some games and have a good time before we go home and like really get our Christmas jumped off. Alright, y'all, I am home and I have to get ready and start on the peach cobbler. So I'm just about to do that. So I got my oven already preheating. Sit this down for a second. My acne has been acting up so bad. I don't know what's going on with my skin, but I think I just need like a whole detox cleanse. So I'm talking about making like waters and everything. I don't care for fruit infused water, but this looks absolutely horrible. What the hell is this? I followed the instructions to a T and child. So anyway, y'all, family has started arriving. That's Treese, Hootie, my mama. More gifts is coming in, child. It's just a bit much. And this ain't even all of it. This ain't even all of it. So yeah. And y'all know Christmas Story on the television all day. It is what it is.
That made me wonder.
This is the ice luge. We're setting it up.
You don't have a backup, Nathan?
It's not.
What?
If I told you I ain't getting enough for mama, didn't I have a backup?
Yeah, he did. I told you what it was.
Oh, okay. Well, that would have been a good idea. Look at my name on it.
All right. We're going to try it. It's already wrong.
All right, so who's going to try to do it first?
Me.
Here, what you drinking? Vodka, tequila?
Give me the Tito's.
I need y'all to say
All right, so y'all keep on trying to. Well, I was Hootie. Give me that extra shot.
It's supposed to go the other way.
This is what I would do.
How am I gonna put it the other way?
It's not standing.
Well, no, this is what I would do. I would take a shot
Trees, what's up with you and all these
and
fans?
pour
It
in like this, yeah. And this would be our glass to just like pour shots into. And then just like, you know.
I believe you.
pour it, Daisha.
Hopefully this works.
Wait, I'm trying to make sure they see it. Okay, do it. Look, y'all.
Playing with him.
We are doing.
It's going off the side because it's not even. Oh my god.
Okay, y'all, we gotta redo
We're
it.
supposed to do it the other way, but it's not standing.
It's sliding down.
Why you didn't test fire with water?
I'm going at my damn shirt.
Well, P.
Y'all keep on wasting liquor.
There's some ice up there in the freezer.
Yeah, we gotta. Okay, so maybe we should freeze that, put that back in the freezer, and we gonna.
But I would have to add more water to it so it can like balance out right at the end. We'll be back, y'all. Hold on. So the party jumping, Quisha.
It's in there. I saw
And
it.
that's dirty, yeah. That's Teresa. Hootie in the way.
I think on the bottom right.
Gifts, drinking, having a good time, you know. Teresa want to play. Every day is so wonderful.
That ain't it, baby. That ain't it.
That was it. We're here. He's finally got
We
here.
got one
The
more
family
girl.
is
It's
here.
only Shari and Maya.
And, you know, the gifts
And she
just
with
keep on
her,
gifting.
she with the other side of the family.
Hell, what time is
I
it?
thought she had like 2
It's 5:16. We ain't did gifts yet, y'all. We can't ready to do
Yeah, we gotta leave
so,
in like an hour. So
Okay, y'all. Let's do it.
yeah.
All right,
Who
we can
Santa
do
Claus? Baby
gifts.
Santa Claus. Baby Santa Claus.
All right, go on and sit on the couch if y'all want to.
No, baby, no. That's for Hootie. From me and Mikey. Now you can carry it home.
Not that heavy.
Y'all funny.
Listen, anybody trying to wrap that?
Everybody got a gift?
I wouldn't take it out. I would just slice it, look at it.
Y'all ready?
I need a knife or
This
something.
from Hootie?
Hootie need a knife. Well, Deja, you need to open
This
it
is
up.
Deja.
Hootie's is in 2 pieces. It's the other no-name one. No. But I think it's that one.
I'll open it.
Yeah, both of those are from Hootie.
Yeah, dude.
How did you know that I need one of these?
What's that?
I need one.
Hey,
It's not my bag. Thank you so much.
Oh, no, y'all get it. I got it.
Thank you.
You welcome. That's from Key.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want to.
Y'all, we finna finish our stuff off camera. I'm just telling you.
I got me a nice gaming chair, baby.
Yeah, I got my bro. Me and Mike picked out a nice chair for.
Scat firm.
Oh, bucket. It's a bucket seat.
Remember when you kept asking Mama what was in the box and we
Yeah.
accidentally opened it and I was like, oh, that's for me.
This?
Yeah. That was actually yours. I was like, oh.
What was this at?
At Mama house, remember you was like, why you not opening that box, Mom?
Oh, that was this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you kept saying, well, got your name
See
on
how
it,
things
but
get
I
over
don't
around
know.
there? Y'all.
Okay. Why are you crying? Give me attention. Well, I ran out. I used them last night when I was blowing my nose. We should get your
Thank you, Keith.
Get your stuff done now. Mom, there you go. So now you can stop, obsessing over my bag. And you got your own.
Shut up.
Not a Telfar.
The Telfar.
Okay, so you go with her, baby.
What is Shisha?
Deja.
Real bossy.
I'm bossy, baby.
Man, I used my house coat last night. This is what came in handy.
Yeah, and that's the medium bag. You can only imagine what the large one is.
Don't worry.
Okay, I take these bad boys for
What the hell is this? What the hell is this?
Fendi.
Fendi prints on.
Fendi prints on.
Oh my gosh, y'all,
Yes.
why would y'all do that?
Fendi prints on.
Oh my gosh. And I was just looking at a Fendi bag like yesterday. I was like,
Now you can travel the world. Your Fendi passport holder.
can we get hurt?
A world traveler.
I'm bougie though.
And all your little certificates and everything is in the back. It's real.
Okay, you guys.
Did you download?
So we're just sitting here enjoying each other's company. It was a definite hit. Hey y'all, so it is currently 8:44 at night. And I must say, this was an amazing Christmas, y'all. Oh, my bob looks stiff. Stiff where? Stiff there. But anyway, we had an amazing time, y'all. It was one of the best Christmases that I've had thus far. Everyone had a great time. Everyone was super surprised by what they received. But other than that, it was the vibes. Y'all can tell I've been drinking clear. The vibes. Everyone had an amazing time. We ate, drank, laughed, ate, drank, laughed, ate, drank, laughed. Some more. And it was just perfect. So I am very happy and very thankful for this holiday season. I kind of want to redo it because it was just too good. It was very good. It was very smooth. And this was the first time that I hosted Christmas at this place. When was the last time I hosted Christmas? Not last year. I haven't hosted. Have I ever hosted Christmas? Y'all, I think this may have been the first time that I've hosted Christmas, if I'm not mistaken. But it was amazing. I'm partially cleaned up. I have a little more cleaning to do. Vacuuming the floors and putting my things away. I got some really nice gifts. So I got this Fendi. Y'all got Fendi. I got some Fendi. A passport holder. I got a Keurig. New silverware, which is what I wanted. Like, I needed new silverware. A blow dryer because mine is old and raggedy. And then I also got a diffuser with some oils, which I was just about to buy the other day. Good thing I didn't buy it because my brother bought it for me. So I am very happy with what I received. Tomorrow we will be hitting the road. We're going to go up to Orlando. My grandfather's in town. I'm going to visit him, see the rest of our family. And my nieces and nephews, I have to drop their gifts off. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. But you guys, I really do hope that you all had a Merry Christmas. I hope that it was filled with as much love as mine was filled with, as much joy as mine was filled with. I hope that you got everything that warmed your heart. Like, it was really, really, really a good day. And then on that note, I'm just going to go ahead and say good night. Merry Christmas. Thank you all for supporting me. I'll see you tomorrow.